What's up, everyone? So we are back at home again. This one I'm starting a little bit different because Lucas has been, as you know, he's been on the team all year. He's been working hard, spent a lot of time living with me here in Ireland. To be honest, as long as he's been here, I've been like moving him around. So anytime he needs to go to the shop or get some stuff for himself or bring him somewhere, drop him to the airport, collect him, everything like that, I've been collecting him and dropping him off. So I've been searching on Facebook Marketplace. That's where I like to look at cars, especially around Ireland. You can get some good deals and find some interesting stuff. And I've found a really cool car for very good money. So I'll talk to you a bit about the car. I'm looking at it here. It's a silver E46 M3, which is a sweet machine, not just for Lucas, but also, you know, if Lucas has gone over Christmas or whatever, it's just a kind of a fun car we can have for the channel, have some fun around with it. And I've always kind of wanted one. And this car is actually for sale for surprisingly €15,000. Might give him a call here in a second and see what the story is.
Hello?
How are things? Is this Barry?
Yes.
So you're selling the E46 M3 on Facebook Marketplace, yeah?
Yes, that's correct.
Is the car as good as it looks in the pictures?
The car is absolutely mint.
Is there any issues with it, as it seems to be very well priced online?
The passenger's door is a slight bit stiff, but it closes.
All right, well, I'm around all week. Where can we meet?
So basically, I'll tell you what. If you send on your postcode, I'll jump in the M3 and I'll be over in yours in next, say, 20 minutes.
All right, so makes my life a lot easier. He's actually going to give a call over. He said very quick. So as this video is sponsored by carVertical, it's the perfect time to get some information on the car before we see it with our own eyes. So let's open the carVertical app and check it out. All right, so reg is in and now it's generating. BMW E46 M3, okay, interesting. So there's a mileage report, there's a damage report, legal status okay, theft okay. So damage on the passenger side, it's repairable. Non-structural damage category N. Obviously we're hoping for a mint M3 because it looks absolutely perfect on the pictures. This is what I love about carVertical. Now we know more about it before we even see it. So we know it's been damaged, we know there's something up in the mileage. As it's kind of a runaround car for Lucas, we might be able to get the price down even more. So I'm still interested because they're a really good car, they're very fun. I've always wanted one and I think Lucas would love it too. So make sure you download carVertical app, use code Deane130 to get 20% off, and yeah, thank you for sponsoring the video. Let's see what this car looks like in a minute.
I'm gonna get this sword today! The passenger door! My tomahawk! Ain't no one getting that! Alan nearly killed me with this one day. They're memories I'm never gonna forget.
We're back in the workshop again this week, and as you saw a couple of videos ago, we were working on the S14.9, looking at the damage from Manoa's crash. Poured the part out, the top panel, so now that is actually doesn't need any more repair. It came out really nice, and now Mikey is going to start looking at repairing the rear panel, getting all that back together, getting it back on. So luckily the rear clamshell itself is only cracked in a few small places.
my God.
I know. This is the E46 M3 that you rang me about. These were the best cars ever. You know what, Lucas? You're going to be a lucky little man. This car is going to be yours. Look at this.
Man, this is not the same M3 that we're looking at from those pictures.
This is the car. Are you stupid? This thing is fast, Lucas.
Well, who was the English lad I was talking to on the phone about a mint E46 M3?
That was my mother. And is this the little man's first time getting a car?
Well, it might be the same car, but what happened to it? Like, look at the condition.
It's stormy up where I live, up on the hills. It was rain, bad weather last night, and the roads were rough coming down here. I was even afraid to travel.
Must have been Hurricane Wilma he drove through.
What are we talking about here? The Flintstones? Do you want to buy the M3 or not? Look, all this M3 needs is a wash, a hammer, a console, and a vice grip clamp. And the door's back on. And you got the ultimate E46 M3. This thing rips. And you know what, Lucas? When you get this door back on, you're going to be the coolest 18-year-old around the place. This E46 M3 has no sunroof. It's a stronger shell. You're the drifter here. You're the champ. You know what it's all about? It's about this. This is where it's at, Lucas. Here's a piece of your car. Normally aspirated S54 340 brake horsepower. Legend.
338 for the brakes.
What? Brake horsepower.
Chassis actually looks good.
This car is sweet. Take it for a spin.
What do you think?
Take it for a spin. Just drive it, James. Just take it for a spin. You're the only one that I can trust to drive my E46 M3. I'll just take the door.
Hey lad, this yoke won't start.
Lucas, let's push it. Take it out of gear. Push it, little man. Push it. What? That's how you drive an E46 M3! The champ! The champ! The champ! Lucas! This is gonna be your car! Put it in the red, bust every pipe in the radiator! This is gonna be your car, Lucas! Your car!
This thing drives sweet. I must say, it looks terrible from the outside, but I'm surprised, but... Right, let's see if I can get a deal.
Come on, Lucas! What you think?
That's a lot of fun.
I told you, Lucas, this is the car you need.
Pop the hood.
The handle is working great in there.
Give it another pull there. To be honest, after driving it drives absolutely sweet.
Surprisingly, because on the carVertical app, it looks like it's been through some amount of damage.
carVertical. The bonnet doesn't open. It cools better when it's closed.
Hey. So look, it obviously doesn't match the pictures. Are you willing to deal on a bit of cash?
The price is 15,000 cash.
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 But what about the damage it looked meant in the photos?
It's not about that, James. What about when you were going around touching the wall there? This car is about driving. You got all this concrete and you want to lowball me?
But you said to drive it hard and I wanted to take it to the limits and I got to the limits and it does work well, I'll give you that. But it's, look at it from the outside. We need to spend money on this thing. He needs to drive it on the road.
You just about got to the limit. You didn't
bars.
really get to the limit.
Look at the back bumper.
Look at the bumper the other side.
Look, I'll be straight with you. I want to help Lucas out. He needs a car to get around the place. I'll give you $6,000 cash now and we'll fix it up ourselves.
Are you for real? This car is where it's at. You see the way you took it to the wall? That's a proper car. Ain't that right, small man?
$6,000. No. No. Come on.
You know what? The door that fell off is worth $6,000. If I put a bit of filler on it, forget about it. Complete and utter time wasters. You wouldn't give me a push there, James, would you? Shorty.
All right, so really enjoyed doing that piece with Even Flow. I've worked on quite a few different things, and every time we work together, it's chaos, it's madness, and genuinely good fun. I hope you also enjoyed it. We're just trying to think of different ways to, you know, do something, but also make it fun and enjoyable while advertising a company. So very, very happy with how it turned out. We still didn't find you a car, but we're looking for one. We actually are looking for one. Yeah, so we're back in the workshop. It's quiet, the guys aren't here. Michael's actually in the office ordering parts for the 180, trying to get all those last bits finalized. And next week's video will have a big update on the 180SX. Made a lot of progress on that car since I've been to America for 2 weeks for Formula Drift, and which was also an unbelievable experience. We had the launch of the brand new Ford Mustang RTR there. We had the Type S Night Lights event, which was really cool. And obviously Formula Drift and a big celebration after. So took me a few days to kind of recover from jet lag and also celebrating with the team, family and friends after the event. But it was a very, very special time. Besides that, we also went to Rose Green. We took the Ford Mustang RTR to Rose Green for the Irish Drift Nationals, which was very cool event. It's actually the track where I first saw drifting, where I first competed in drifting. First started driving a Ford, like Ford Sierra originally, and driving a Mustang down there was pretty unique. And we also brought down the Falcon Tires S14. So all of that is coming on next week's video. Let us know in the comments if you've enjoyed what we did in this video and if you'd like to see more things like that, more creative things like that in the future. Lucas, you're brilliant at putting stuff like that together, and also Even Flow's like idea for making something ridiculous and funny, but also getting the point across is pretty cool. So I personally really enjoy it. It's something different. I definitely don't consider myself an actor, so trying to keep a straight face as we're doing it is a challenge, especially when he's screaming in your face. No, really good times, and yeah, until next week's video. Lucas is going to be staying with me pretty much till Christmas, so we obviously have the biggest project is the 180, and yeah, we have some other fun stuff planned as well. So keep watching, appreciate your support as always, and we'll see you next week.